Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandy Marker. Today I'm going to take you through Excel terms, common features in Excel. Now we are starting right away with workbook. Now a workbook is a file that contains one or more worksheets. Like this one we have opened is our workbook, and it contains one or more worksheets. Now the reason why I'm saying one or more worksheets is that within a workbook you can add more than two, just as many worksheets as you want. Now we're done with workbook. Now worksheet is a single page in a workbook, within a workbook. Now you see the reason why it's a single page, it's here. This is what sheet 1. Now you can add as many sheets as you want by clicking on this one. You see this one is now sheet 2, this one is sheet 3. Now this is what a worksheet. Now a cell is where we enter our values. We enter our values in a cell, all our functions and formula. If you want to do calculation in Excel, we enter them in a cell. Now a cell is how do we form a cell? Now a cell is formed by what? Intersection of a row and a column. Now these vertical grid lines and the horizontal grid lines forms the cell. And the cell, as I said earlier on, it's where we enter our values and functions, also formulas. Now a cell, how do we name the cell? Now we have the cell reference. Cell reference gives a name. It identifies the specific cell you are working in. Now this is a cell reference. Like this one is what is A10. Now by this one, this is a cell reference. Now we take it from here, alphabetically, and then using what numbers. Now if we are to click on this one, this is what cell, what Q10, because it's under Q and the number is 10. Now the alphabets are horizontally and the numbers are what are vertically lined. Now we have formulas. I've been talking about it here, but now let's explain what it is. Now a formula is a user-defined mathematical expression. You just enter everything you want. That it's a user-defined mathematical expression that performs calculations in Excel. Now example of a formula. Now a formula, when you want to enter a formula, you start by equal sign. Now equal sign, you just enter. Now 0.02, 7 times you can easily say what it's plus 78. Now this is a formula. Now we're done with formula. It's user defined. Any user enters user formula. Now we are coming to function. Now functions is different. Unlike formula, functions are predefined mathematical expressions. Like they are formulas that are already been predefined by the computer. Now this one, formulas, functions, you just enter. Like you even begin with an equal sign. Now you click like this equal sign. Now examples of functions, we have for addition we have what? Sum. You see, it's it's predefined, it's there already. Now we're entering this sum, you open a bracket. Now instead of saying 0 point this plus 0 plus this one, now you are going to enter what the cell in a specific cell in which the values are what are located. Now you can say A5. Now you put what? Semicolon, full colon. And now where you want to stop, you just say what? A9. Now you close the bracket. Now it's done. This is a formula. It's a function. It's a function. Get it well. It's a function. It's predefined by the computer. Now you just enter, like for example I'll send you this one, it's equal sign sum, open bracket, you put the values. There is no need to put the plus sign or minus sign. You just put a full colon, and then you, because they put in the full colon shows that you are indicating the range of the values. I mean the range of cell you want the values calculated, you want the values analyzed. Now you put the where you're starting from, that is A5, then where you're ending you put what, A9. You separate them. This full column means you are giving the range of the values here. It's supposed to help you calculate, and it calculates it automatically. Now after entering this, you just press enter, and it will go straight away. Now we're in the formula bar. And formula bar is a toolbar that's located above the Excel grids. It's located above where the cells are found. Now it's this one. You see, it's written here, the formula bar. I'm going to be showing you where the things are. This is the formula bar. Now it allows you to enter it allows you to enter and edit your formulas. That's why it's called the formula bar. Now after entering your formulas here, it will be shown up to there, such that you can even go and edit it from there. Now let us try this. You're entering this. Let's put average. You're entering the function. Can you see? It's here. It's entering up to here also, as if you're entering it there. Now this one, you put it with average. Now you open the bracket. Now you put S3. This one. Now you close the bracket. You see, it's up to the formula bar here. Now you can come and also click on this. You can edit it. That's why I said it allows you to edit, enter and edit what? Edit the formula. It shows you the formula here and the function, all of them. Now guys, let's move on to name box. Now name box, just like its name, it's a name and a box, the name of the cell. In other words, it contains the cell reference, the name of the cell you are working in. In the active cell you have clicked on, it would be shown here. In the what? It's here. So this is where the name box is. It's also found above the what? Above the Excel grids. So this is the name box. So it's naming our what? Our cell. If you click on this one, you see it changes. This one is B12. This cell what? B12. It's shown in the name box. Now we are coming on to rank, and rank is one of the functions. It's one of the functions. Now a rank is a function that allows you to put positions of the values you have entered. Now it's very crucial in making report cards. If you have entered values of the totals of every student in the class, now you want to put them into according to their positions. Now you come and you use the function rank, and then you can put them into their positions. Now let me demonstrate this. You could equal sign, and then you click on rank. I mean, you type rank and then you open bracket. Now we are ranking cell. You're ranking cell A1. Now you click on A1, put a comma. Now you put $sign A $1. Then you put a full colon. Now you step back $sign A $sign, and what I'm doing, $sign A $sign. Now this one, you put the range of the value you want to what? I told you earlier on that putting a full colon means you're putting the range of the values. Now you're starting from A1. Supposing our value started from A1 is ending at A5. Now you put the $sign, this last $sign, and then you put what? 5. Now you put comma again. Now this one, you see it's bringing you the orders. Now 0 is descending and 1 is what? Ascending. Now we are supposed to put it in what? We are selecting what? Descending. Now you close the bracket, then you press on enter. This is simply the rank function. So remember, thank you for watching. That's simply how to do it. It's just, if you know this, you already know what Excel. And if you want to do if you want to learn how to make report cards, it's in my videos, it's among my videos, so you can come and understand these words and these features, then you go and watch my next video, and you shall find how to make a report card using these functions and the formula I have demonstrated all of them there. So thank you for watching. Have a nice time. See you in my next video.